Nice.
Hi everybody, I'm Forgy McForgeface. This is the Forge. Today, I'm going to do something different than I've ever done. I've only ever done low layer stuff, so like this is 69 layers. Technically it's not that low, but like technically Damascus is 100 plus layers. So this is going to be my first real Damascus. So I'm going to take the 69 from these two. I'm going to cut it in half, hamburger. Cut it in half, hamburger. Take and put it on either side of this piece of 32. So I'll have a 69, 32, 69. So it'll be like bold layer, thin layer, bold layer, thin layer, big, bold, Damascus layer. It's gonna be pretty cool, I think. Yeah, stick around. Start with. I'm sorry, Mickey. I don't have my gripper. It's at the gym. Start with. First thing we gotta do is crank on the forge because it needs to be on. I have to make that steel I made flatter because it has ridges in it. This has a bunch of bumps and ridges on it because I was texturing the blade. That's how I got all the pattern shapes. So I need to make these all flat. I'm gonna make them flat on my press. My press is really good at making stuff flat. That's showbiz, baby. All right, these are flat. Might not look it with those little bumps, but they're pretty flat. Now we gotta let them cool a bit and we can grind off the edges. Next up, we gotta cut these down to size. Get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that, rid of those, that, garbage. Hey, please subscribe. So this steel's real friggin' hot, man. Don't touch it. There, old man left. Steel's hot, man. Over there, like so. And I need to draw some lines on it so I can cut it straight without burning myself. Without burning yourself. Without burning yourself. Cool. Now you cut that. Y'all want a single say cut that. Cut that, cut that. I have 3 pieces of steel here now. 69, 32, 69. Two's actually a bit big, but we're just gonna roll it. I think it's gonna look pretty darn neat. It doesn't? Hey, that's showbiz, baby. We're gonna grind these edges now on the grinder. Grinder, the best part. Everyone loves the grinder. Grinder, hardly newer. Not like normal, we gotta bomb start the grinder. Okay, now we gotta clean the steel. To do that, we use this acetone. And we don't leave the acetone rag on the table. Right, so we just take the acetone, get it everywhere, freeze our hands off, clean off the steel that we just ground. That one's 19, looks good. Now this is gonna be our Oreo. 69, 32, 69. Next up we weld. This is my Hitbox HIM 200. It's amazing. I really like it. Good, does really well. Welds really well. Flux core, so it's like obviously welds really well. Flux core, yeah, it's a good welder. Clamps. Wish me luck. Why didn't that turn on? There we have it, about a foot of 170 layer Damascus steel. I'm so excited to see this. All right, it's a new day. I drew a picture of the knife we're gonna make. This 170 layer knife. It's a 7.5, 8-inch kitchen chef knife thing. And here we go. I'm gonna fire up the forge. Lighter, lighter. Okay, so now we gotta grind these edges. I'm so rusty at hammering. on a buffalo. Normalize number 2. What do you think of my new light? One more normalized. We get to anal them. Oh, come on. That is very unfortunate. Burn the floor. Gonna burn the floor. Totally burning the floor. Totally burning the floor. Use your other tongues. Use your other tongues. La, 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 la. Wow, that sucked. Okay, now that its eyes are normal, we need to anal it. Okay, it's almost up to the right temperature. It'll get to the same temperature once it's this right temperature. I'm gonna shut it off, and now that's gonna cool down to room temperature with the forge. BRB. The knife is now out of the annealing oven. I'm going to cut this out with the angle grinder. We're going to draw the shape on it better first. I'm just going to sharpen my soapstone. All right, let's cut that out with the cutter outer thing. The thing that's used for cutting it out. I'm gonna grab clamps! Clamps! Okay, now we're gonna drill some holes. Oh, it's cold in here. To your breath. I'm gonna drill some holes. We take our trusty red metallic dual tip color factory marker. It's the best, actually is. I'm brisk. I need to put a sweater. I'm so excited to see this knife. 170 layers. We're gonna draw where this is gonna go. That will be our there. So we want our handle to start there, come there to there. Yep. So I want one here, I want one here, I want one there. Click, clack. Now we take this bit out and sharpen it. Now we take off our mask again and cover this side and this edge in paint. And then this side here. Oh, am I finally running out? Oh no, there's more in there. Now we take our flat stone of rock stone. We find the right side. Come on, focus. That's kind of my cheat line. Now we start grinding that. Every time you light a lighter, it gets a little lighter till it's so light that it won't light. If there was any knife to fail during heat treat, this would be the one. I'm actually so nervous. They say when you put your steel in the forge, a bit of your soul goes in with it. This one. Clip it in there. Pray it got hard. All right, this is it. It's over there. Very hard, I think. Test it with this file. Everything's hard. And the pattern's trying to come through and it looks so cool. Awesome. Wow, totally freaked me out. Cool, there we have it. I'm gonna go throw this in the heat treat tempering oven, which is also known as my kitchen oven. And then my kids should be home from school in any second. Like and subscribe.